Hey, what's up guys, it's Tech Marlos here. Today, we're checking out the NEBULA X1 Triple Laser 4K projector. A pretty impressive piece of tech that's designed to bring that big screen cinematic experience right into your home, or really anywhere you want. So, let's dive in and see what this thing's all about. First off, the NEBULA X1 packs a triple laser light source, which is a big deal in the projector world. Laser projectors are known for their brightness and color accuracy, and with triple lasers, NEBULA is really pushing for vibrant, punchy visuals with deep blacks and rich colors. You're getting a true 4K resolution, so everything looks sharp, crisp, and detailed, which is what you want from a projector that's meant for movie nights, gaming, or even presentations. One of the things I immediately noticed is the brightness. It clocks in at around 2000 ANSI lumens, which means you can use this in a room with some ambient light without losing too much image quality. Obviously, darker rooms are ideal for projectors, but having that brightness helps a lot in flexible setups, especially if you're moving it between rooms or even taking it outdoors. Speaking of portability, this projector comes with a carry case, which is a nice touch. It's built to be somewhat compact and easy to move around compared to those big, bulky projectors you see in conference rooms. The carry case adds that layer of protection and makes it really convenient to bring it to a friend's house, set it up in the backyard, or even just move it around your living space. Another cool accessory included here is the satellite speaker. Projectors often suffer from lackluster built-in sound because there's limited space to put quality speakers, so having a dedicated satellite speaker boosts the audio experience significantly. This speaker is designed to pair seamlessly with the projector, delivering clear dialogue, balanced mids, and decent bass, so you're not stuck scrambling for external speakers or soundbars immediately. On the software side, the NEBULA X1 runs Android TV, which means you get access to a ton of streaming apps right out of the box: Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, and more, all controllable through a smart remote. The UI is smooth and familiar if you've used Android TV devices before. This makes the whole experience feel integrated and modern, without needing an external streaming box or casting from your phone every time. The projector also supports HDR10, which enhances the dynamic range and color depth for compatible content. HDR support on projectors can sometimes be a mixed bag, but here, it definitely helps improve contrast and highlights, making scenes pop without washing out details in the shadows or bright areas. For connectivity, you have multiple HDMI ports, USB, and Bluetooth. That means you can easily connect gaming consoles, laptops, or even wireless headphones if you want a private viewing experience. It also supports screen mirroring, so casting from your phone or tablet is hassle-free. Now, let's talk about setup. The NEBULA X1 has an auto keystone correction feature and lens shift, which makes it easier to position the projector without having to do complicated manual adjustments. This is really helpful if you want to throw a big picture on an uneven wall, or if you don't have the projector perfectly aligned in your room. The image adjusts automatically to keep everything looking rectangular and proportionate. Battery-wise, the NEBULA X1 isn't exactly a battery-powered Pico projector, but it does have a decent built-in battery that can last a couple of hours on a charge. So, if you want to take it outside for a movie night, you don't have to worry about cords right away, though obviously plugging in will give you unlimited playtime. Build quality feels premium, with a solid chassis that has some heft but still manages to be portable. The design is sleek and minimalist, so it fits well in modern living rooms or home theaters without looking out of place. Performance-wise, the projector delivers smooth playback with low input lag, which is a plus if you're into casual gaming or streaming games via cloud services. The colors are vivid without being oversaturated, and the sharpness is top-notch thanks to the 4K laser technology. So, who is this projector for? If you want a versatile, portable 4K projector that delivers great image quality and solid sound right out of the box, the NEBULA X1 is definitely worth considering. It's perfect for movie buffs, gamers, or anyone wanting to bring a premium big screen experience without the hassle of setting up tons of gear. If you're interested in picking up the NEBULA X1 Triple Laser 4K projector with the carry case and satellite speaker, check out the link I've dropped in the description below. It'll take you to the latest deals and availability. Alright, that's it from me. If you liked the video, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment letting me know what you think about the NEBULA X1 or any other projectors you're eyeing. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.